Why do 70% of tech lovers rave about robot vacuums? Let's find out as we pit Roomba against Eufy in a battle for dust-busting supremacy. In one corner, we have the iRobot Roomba, the heavyweight champion, known for its powerful suction and smart navigation. This little guy maps your home and avoids obstacles like a ninja. Plus, it even empties itself. Talk about lazy luxury, right? In the other corner, the Eufy, the underdog with a sleek design and a budget-friendly price tag. Don't let its size fool you. This compact cleaner packs a punch with strong suction and a low profile to sneak under furniture. And guess what? It's quieter than your average library. So which one wins? If you want brains and brawn, Roomba's got your back. But if you're looking for a stealthy, affordable sidekick, Eufy's your go-to. Ultimately, it's all about what suits your style and your floors. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this battle and subscribe for more tech face-offs. Until next time, keep it clean and techy.